Dry bones hurt.
Though the heavily counterpart, no daredevil ever performed. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Waterfalls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crestline, 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow is 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. In a recent notable rockfall, in 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridalveil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridalveil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridalveil Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters and remains the smallest waterfall compared to
Do you want to get the other falls over there? The other falls? Ow.
Here, you want to take a selfie with it? I got you. Here, you want to take a selfie with it?
Yeah, I know. That's the biggest one.
Turn around.
Want a photo? That's the biggest waterfall in the world. Huh? That's the biggest waterfall? I think it is.
I don't know. I think South America has it.
But it's one of the pretty, like, one of the really pretty ones. Yeah. But it's also the most popular waterfall ever. Come on. Stop. Underground with Niagara Falls Bridge. Hey, there's the blue team. Yeah. So that's the border to the U.S.? Yep. To New York? Yeah. That's crazy. We're going back. Wait, where's our area? Maybe.
It's like a rapid. It's like a rapid right there.
All the way over there? I don't even know where we're going anymore. So the people over here.
How you liking it?
Good.
Pretty good?
Does it cool? Yeah. We're back in Canada. Were we technically in the US for like a couple minutes? We were technically in like New York. Which is kind of crazy. Maple syrup place. This is after the ride. That's like right here. is crazy. Okay, now we're in the blue tunnel. Kinda. Now we are, definitely.
Because I asked him because I thought it was only him down here.
LED lights.
So I asked him, he said everyone down
What? There is a mustard. Oh, Jimmy. The Jimmy. Oh, no, there's another area right there. Oh. Okay.
we gotta go down there.
That is crazy. Canadian bird. Yeah. Oh. There's nothing over there. The biggest waterfall in the world. It's a mine. Oh, I've never seen any of these.
Like an old mine.
It's an old mine. That's cool. It's like an old mine shaft. Right? No, it's cool. It's like now that's cool.
What's up, Trish? Have you in the vlog?
Huh?
Have you in the vlog?
Yeah. Incline Railway. My cousin Vinny's gets a 10 out of 10. The pizza's super good. Guys, the garlic bread is really good. Is that 8 pieces of pizza?